For today's video, we will answer a math challenge given by one of our followers. And the question goes like this. What is the value of p that satisfies this equation 2p over p squared minus 2p plus 1 equals 1/4? Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so our goal here is to find the value of p that satisfies this equation 2p over p squared minus 2p plus 1 equals 1/4. How do we answer this kind of question? First, what we're going to do is to cross multiply. And if we do that, we get something like 4 times 2p equals p squared minus 2p plus 1. Multiply by the whole, multiply by 1 is the same thing. Alright, now let's simplify. 4 times 2p, this will give us 8p. And now what we're going to do is to subtract 8p on both sides. Subtract 8p on both sides. So this will give us 0 equals p squared minus 10p plus 1. Now, this quadratic equation is not factorable. So what we're going to do is to use the quadratic formula, of course. So we have p must be equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Wherein the value of this a must be the coefficient of p squared, which is 1. We have imaginary 1 here. And the value of b is the coefficient of p, which is negative 10. And c must be the constant term, which is positive 1. So now, let's replace all a, this all a, with positive 1. And then, let's replace all of this b with negative 10, like this. And for the last time, let's replace the c with its value, positive 1. Now, let's simplify. Negative of negative 10, this will give us positive 10. And we have here negative 10 raised to the power of 2, so this will give us 100. So we have 100 minus 4, and this will give us 96. Now, take note, this 96 can be factored as 16 times 6, wherein this 16 is a perfect square. So square root of 16 is just 4. So this simplifies to 4 multiplied by square root of 6. Now, let's simplify more. 10 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. So this will give us 5 plus or minus 2 times square root of 6. So we have two possible values for p. We have 5 plus 2 times square root of 6, or we have 5 minus 2 times square root of 6. Therefore, given this equation 2p over p squared minus 2p plus 1 equals 1/4, then the value of p that satisfies this equation, we have p equals 5 plus 2 times square root of 6, or 5 minus 2 times square root of 6. And as always, we are done.